The news comes after an explosive row in the Commons, where Keir Starmer was asked if he would follow France in banning the burqa. Banning the burqa in the UK will likely become Reform UK's official policy, the Express understands. Nigel Farage's party wants a debate and discussion about the policy, and it is probable that forbidding people to wear burqas will end up as the party's stance. It comes after Reform's new MP for Runcorn and Helsby, Sarah Pochin, asked Sir Keir Starmer yesterday whether he would be joining countries including France, Denmark and Belgium in banning the face and body covering worn by some Muslims. She said, given the Prime Minister's desire to strengthen strategic alignment with our European neighbours, will he, in the interests of public safety, follow the lead of France, Denmark, Belgium and others and ban the burqa? The Prime Minister said, "Can I welcome her to her place, but I'm not going to follow her down that line." But now she is here and safely in her place, perhaps she could tell her new party leader that his latest plan to bet £80 billion of unfunded tax cuts, with no idea how he's going to pay for it, is Liz Truss all over again. Although considering I think Ms Pochin was a Conservative member when Liz Truss was leader, she probably won't. Reform's chairman, Zia Yusuf, said today it was dumb for Ms Pochin to ask the question. He wrote on social media, "I do think it's dumb for a party to ask the PM if they would do something the party itself wouldn't do." However, the Express now understands banning the burqa will likely become Reform UK's official policy. Before speaking during Prime Minister's question, Ms Pochin wrote online, "Thank you to everyone who sent in questions for the Prime Minister. I've chosen one and will be asking it just after 12 noon today in the House of Commons. A burqa covers the entire body, including the face, with an opening at the eyes so the wearer can see. This is seen by some Muslims as a sign of modesty and piety." In an Express poll, which this morning had been voted on by 31,000 Express readers, 96% called for the UK to ban the item of religious clothing. Only 3%, meanwhile, said no. The survey suggests 1% said they didn't know. The number of entries by 8 a.m. on Thursday morning was 30,604, with 29,362 saying yes and only 890 saying number 224 did not know.